Welcome to Hashtagsteel.com, where you can source steel in just 4 simple clicks. Let's get you registered in a few easy steps. Start by visiting Hashtagsteel.com and clicking on the Register button at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your basic information, including first name, last name, email ID, phone number. Then, tap Send OTP. Type in the OTP and click Verify to confirm. Next, create a strong password with at least 8 characters, and re-enter it to confirm. Make sure it's secure but easy for you to remember. If you're a GST registered company, select Yes and enter your GST number. Otherwise, select No and provide your PAN card number. Once you've reviewed the terms and conditions, check the box to accept them, and click Sign Up to complete your registration, and that's it. You're now registered on Hashtagsteel.com. You can explore, compare prices, and place orders effortlessly. Thanks for choosing Hashtagsteel. We're excited to be your steel sourcing partner.